In the logging and wood processing industry, the use of modern machinery and equipment is essential. They help us increase labor productivity and efficiency significantly compared to using human labor. Nowadays, to meet the demand, many types of machines are introduced and continuously modernized. To have a fresh look at these machines, watch the entire video to experience. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. The Mulwa 980 machine is a specialized device used for logging in forests. It is equipped with a powerful engine and can operate continuously for many hours. The machine has the ability to cut and split wood with high precision, making it a useful tool for loggers. With its design featuring 4 giant wheels and a large engine system, a sharp blade with a diameter of up to 900 millimeters, it can easily cut large pieces of wood. The internal machinery system of this machine is running at full capacity to separate and grind large trees into small pieces. Clearly, replacing humans in the logging process has helped us shorten the time to complete the work while ensuring safety and balancing the ecosystem in the forest. This machine is especially integrated with a milling system, which means that after logging, the machine uses the milling system to cut off all small branches around the mill and mill the rough bark into a smooth wooden bar ready to be transported to production factories. The Log Max 2000T is also a modern type of machine that many logging companies invest in for their logging operations. It is one of the most advanced logging machines in the wood industry. The machine is equipped with the latest advanced technologies to ensure high operating efficiency and precision. The machine's thick steel frame ensures high durability and can handle heavy loads. The large wheels and independent suspension system make the machine easy to move and stable on any terrain. The cutting crane design is like a giant hand that tightly hugs each large tree trunk. In less than a minute, the machine processes and cuts them into long logs of uniform size, making the production process faster without the need for human measurements. The machine's logging system is equipped with sharp cutting blades, ensuring accurate and fast wood cutting. At the same time, the machine's control system is intelligently designed to smooth and efficiently accelerate the operating process. Modern wood-cutting machines are always equipped with intelligent control systems and a giant wheel, which helps them move easily on any terrain in the forest with a flexible rotating cutting head that can cut wood with high precision. The intelligent control system of the sawing machine allows the user to easily adjust the depth and speed of the cuts depending on the type of size of the wood. This increases work efficiency and minimizes material loss, saving time and production costs. The giant wheel of the woodcutting machine is designed to move flexibly on any terrain in the forest. With a wide surface and high traction, this wheel can overcome uneven terrain, rocks, and difficult terrain without obstacles. The application of this machine in the wood industry helps this industry to develop further, meeting the increasing demand of people. At the same time, it contributes to bringing the high economic value to each country. The Melwa 560F transport machine and the Melwa 560H harvesting machine are two important devices used to efficiently exploit wood in forests. The excellent combination of these two types of machines will make the process of logging and transporting wood easier and more efficient. The Melwa 560F is a transport machine designed to carry wood from the logging area to the processing site. The machine can transport up to 15 tons of wood at once with high speed and high accuracy in wood stacking. The Melwa 560H is a harvesting machine used to cut and process wood directly in the forest. The machine can cut wood at high speed and high accuracy in cutting large diameter wood sections. The combination of these two machines will make the process of logging and transporting wood faster and reduce waiting time in transportation. This also helps reduce costs for wood manufacturers. Furthermore, this combination helps minimize negative environmental impacts by reducing the movement of wood transport vehicles. Overall, the combination of the Melwa 560F transport machine and the Melwa 568 harvesting machine is a significant improvement in the wood industry, making the process of logging and transporting wood more efficient while reducing negative environmental impacts. The use of these machines lines in the process of wood exploitation has become popular in all wood exploitation companies, helping investors save labor costs and production costs and creating wood products for human life. So, have you been able to imagine, to some extent, the work of logging and the specialized machinery involved? It's amazing, isn't it? We hope these videos will be an interesting experience that brings useful information. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.